friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBiz. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBiz. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new 2021 Royal Enfield Classic 350 BS6 vehicle with the new color treatments like orange ember. So color treatment is very nice on this offer, and one of my favorite color is orange color. So before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBiz channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. So coming to firstly headlights of the vehicle, no LED treatments on this generation, also only halogens on offer at this headlight. The indicators also halogens on offer. Coming to front suspension, comes with the telescopic shock absorbers. The suspension is very nice performing, and also with a tubeless tires provided on this vehicle. Coming to the tire profile, at the front comes with the 90 18 inches. Before it would have 90 118 90 90 10 18 inches on this generation, with the disc size massive now of 280 mm of disc size with the alloy wheels on offer. The alloy wheels come only with some of the specific variants on offer. And coming to the wheel size, comes with the 482.6 mm at the front and tubeless tires provided on the front tires. And coming to graphics and coming to the color treatment of the body color is very nice with the dual color treatments, black and orange color. The color name called as orange ember, as if I said already. The matte black finish of this engine is very nice with a single cylinder 4-stroke air cooled engine, 346cc engine displacement with a 19.36 PS of power at 5250 rpm and 28 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. Single cylinder air cooled 2 valves per cylinder on offer at this price segment. So coming to the silencer of the vehicle, comes with the huge, humble and matte black finish of silencer is very attractive color, and 350 written on the side air filter box. And coming to the rear suspension, comes in gas charge stroke absorbed with a 5-step adjustable Prod 180 mm of travel at the rear suspension. Also with the rear tire comes with a 120 80 18 inches on offer. Coming to the rear profile, taillights has been offered with the bulbs only, and pillion holder, pillion seat and driver position seat has splitted on the offer. So number plate position and also Royal Enfield badge are the same, no change at all. Side guard position is also same, and build quality is very nice, no change between the build qualities on this generation also. And coming to the rear disc size, comes with the 240 mm of rear disc size with the radial tires and alloy wheels on offer. The alloy wheels are very attractive on this generation of 2021 Royal Enfield Classic bikes. The dual color treatments of this engine is very nice, and the chrome and matte black finish is very attractive. Coming to the other side of the engine placement, it comes with the chain drive kick and self start on offer with a fuel injection on these BS6 vehicles, with a wet multiple clutch with the 6 plates on offer at this price segment. And dual color treatment on the petrol tank is very nice, deadly combination of black and orange, one of my favorite color, as if I said already. So coming to the 5-speed manual transmission, 70 mm of bore and 90 mm of stroke on offer, and 8:5:1 on offer comparison ratio BS6 vehicle. Coming to the left side handlebars, indicators, horn, high beam, low beam, pass light switch has been given. Right side handlebars given with the engine kill switch and self start button. Side view mirrors are no change at all, matte black finish. The instrument cluster is also no change on offer with the same odometer and speedometer on offer, and indications like ABS switch and also the indicators, high beam, low beam. And right side small instrument cluster comes with a older generation of old school design like low fuel indication, low battery indication and low oil indicators on the right side instrument cluster. Dimensions are same as no change at all. Length comes with the 2160 mm, breadth comes with the 790 mm. The height of the vehicle is 1090 mm. The ground clearance is somewhat disappointing, as same as no change at all, 135 mm. The wheelbase of the vehicle is huge as 1390 mm. Weight of the vehicle is decreased 5 kg, now 195 kg lesser. Overall total weight of Royal Enfield Classic 350 in this generation 195 kg is a massive enough. The suspension front comes with a telescopic 35 mm forks with a 130 mm of travel on offer. The wheelbase is huge as per my opinion. And also the seats are comfortable with the cushion on offer. Under the driver position seat, the springs of the shock absorbers are very nice performing. It will helpful in the bumps of the vehicle. To the features of the vehicle, there are 2 features: dual channel ABS on offer at this price segment and analog console on this offer. Coming to the chassis of the vehicle, chassis single down tube using with the engine and strand member, and body type comes with the cruiser bike as no change, older generation only. Colors of the vehicle, there are total 14 colors on offer and this 2021 BS6 vehicle. So I am the one of my favorite color is gunmetal gray and also this orange ember that I am showing in this video. So overall no change at all at the fit finish and also the body dimensions. Only the change is color treatments on offer with the price segments. The price segment of the vehicle is 1,92,000 on road Hyderabad. On this color orange Embraer comes with a 1.89 lakhs on offer. So overall this is the price of the vehicle. As per my opinion, prices are slightly difference between color changes with a 5 to 10,000 difference between all the color treatments. So here is the detail of tank has been slitted now and gas welding has been done to the build quality is very nice, and Royal Enfield badge at the tank is very nice. The orange graphics on the tank comes with a very attractive feature. Some of the facts of Royal Enfield comes that the Royal Enfield Classic 350 has production started in 2009 in Chennai, and 350 and 500cc EFI engine comes the single cylinder twin spark with the ESFi 12 volts system on this engine, and 2009 has been production started of these classic bikes. And coming to the other fact of the vehicle, in 2007 ABS applied for 500cc first time in India, and 2008 ABS applied to 350cc. Single channel ABS has been applied in those generation, and in 2019 stopped 500cc production because of the 500cc is huge in the Indian market, and also 350cc has been continued launching, and also with the dual channel ABS has been produced in the 2019. That I took the bike of gunmetal grey. Please go and check the link of the 2019 of ABS of dual channel ABS of gunmetal grey of my personal bike. This here is a link of that. And coming to other side of the facts of classic bikes comes the air cleaning paper element on air filter on offer as this classic 350 bikes. More expensive than Bullet of this 350cc, obviously, because the comparison ratio price segment, the price segment of Bullet is some lesser compared to Royal Enfield Classic 350s. And coming to other fact, this is the most shocking news of the 200 kilometers non-stop record in Royal Enfield bikes in 2001 has made the Royal Enfield bike classics, and also Royal Enfield sales grow in 2009 with the 500cc launch. Design has been upgraded in 2009, and almost 100 engineers has been affected of these designs. And Royal Enfield plant established in 2013 in the Chennai of Tamil Nadu, and 2018 Royal Enfield 500 Classic Pigwens has been launched 1000 limited editions. Just in 3 minutes the sale has been done of all 1000 productions. And coming to other interesting fact, in 2020-21 Royal Enfield celebrate 120 years of pure motorcycling of this bike of classics, and also all the Royal Enfield bikes. So overall in 1901 the Royal Enfield has been started the production and the designs of the Royal Enfield and established in 1901, and till today in 2021 it has been done of 120 years of experience of these Royal Enfield bikes and successfully running market in Indian cruising bike. And no doubt at all, there is more resale value. The price segment is decent enough, and lot of colors on offer with a nice mileage. The mileage of the vehicle comes with a 25 to 30 kilometers per liter in a city rides, and highways you get 35 kilometers per liter, no doubt at all. And Royal Enfield bikes are very good and no slippery bikes, and these are the running and successful vehicle as per my opinion. So this is a walk around video of all new orange MBL Classic 350 colors. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to Motor, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.